Aromas, this is Aromie here, and I am here with an update on what's been going on since my channel has been quite sleep mode right now. I just semi-recently got back from my family trip from Vietnam. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, but it's been a week and maybe a couple days since I've gotten back from my trip, and I'm still trying to get adjusted to getting back into work and everything. I'm still trying to fix my sleeping schedule and all, but I just wanted to make this video to update you guys on what's going to be happening to this channel. So before I left, I had about maybe 4 series going on, and I honestly don't know how the hell I did it. And we're nearing the month where games are going to be released, as in, you know the big one, the big huge one that I'm excited for, which is Animal Crossing New Horizons, which comes out March 20th. Currently it is February. Shit, how do you say that month's name? It's the second month of the year, and it's the 12th, so February 12th. I feel like I'm still saying that month incorrectly, but as of the day I'm recording this voiceover, it's the 12th. And today already, the side story for Fire Emblem Three Houses has dropped. I can't even touch that yet because I am still trying to get through Edelgard's route. So I haven't really thought out the plan on how I'm going to start uploading again in time to make it where I can just focus on Animal Crossing alone. I don't know how I'm going to work that out, so please bear with me if your series isn't being uploaded currently, because I believe I had Red Embrace Hollywood, Fire Emblem, Cooking Mama, Love Esquire. I think that's about it. I'm praying that's it that I had going on before I left for vacation. I currently am just going to focus on Fire Emblem so I can get that out of the way, because that's the one I'm more interested in, and especially since the side story came out, I really want to avoid spoilers, so I had to finish the game to get to the side story. Or technically, can I just, like, no, I'm not gonna just say, like, Hubert, move aside for a second so I can woo another guy real quick. I'm just gonna try to finish Edelgard's route, get to the side story, and hopefully I'll get to that before Animal Crossing comes out. Hopefully, because you guys know Fire Emblem is a hell of a long game. But I just wanted to tell you guys that. That's all for the update. I don't have much more to say about the channel. Oh! I do want to thank you guys for helping me get to 7K at the beginning of the year. I think I hit 7K as I landed Vietnam, and I was like, what the fuck? So thank you guys for that. Thank you so much. I don't think I have anything else to update you guys on. Oh, I lied. In April, I will actually be gone for a week for my birthday week. I am actually going back to see my parents and my brother finally after probably a few years. I don't even know. 6 years maybe since I've last seen them and celebrated my birthday with them. So it's really nice. I'll be gone for that. So I'll be gone the 17th to the 23rd. And then in May, I'll be gone for 2 days, but you guys won't probably notice. I'll be gone 2 days for my first BTS concert ever, which I'm ecstatic about. Really excited. Rest in peace Tyler's ears, because he's actually coming with me to be MVP. Because I have no friends here to go watch BTS with. But besides that, also around July, August, it's just 3 days that I'll be gone. I'll be going to Otakon. It's going to be my first time going there. I wanted to go there last year, but last year we went to like 3 conventions and we had no money at that point. So this year we're going to Otakon, and that's going to be the last con we go to, because we're skipping out on Katsucon, which is happening this weekend, and we're skipping out on AwesomeCon, which I don't know when that starts, but we're probably skipping out on that. I'm not too sure. They haven't really released guests that I'm like tempted to go see. So Otakon in July, August. because theirs is at the end of the month. I'll post all the dates here as I'm talking about it. But I think that is officially all the updates. That Fire Emblem is going to be main priority on the channel. The other series might be on the back burner, or I'll just like slowly bring them back out. Hopefully, depending on my motivation to record, because I've been staying away from my computer ever since I got back. It's just the anxiety of having to work, and and then the following next week I will be going back to my retail job. So it's gonna be a hell of a adjusting to do. But thank you guys for being patient with me, and I hope you guys are excited for Fire Emblem at least. Again, if you guys were watching the other series, don't worry, I'm gonna bring them back because I have to finish those games. I'm not gonna leave them on like nothing. Like just leave them. I'm not going to leave them. I will come back. Don't worry. Because March is hell of a month, okay? There's so many games coming out in March that it's ridiculous. Pokemon, Mystery Dungeon, DX, Animal Crossing, Persona. It was supposed to be Final Fantasy Remaster, the 7th one, but they got pushed that back to the following month, right? April, I think. There's just a hell of a lot of games coming out, and I cannot handle them all. So, yeah, just please be patient with me. And thank you guys for watching. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you guys sometime soon. I also forgot to mention that Rune Factory 4 special is coming out in February. Hopefully, it was supposed to come out last month, but they got it pushed back. It's coming out this month as well, and I pre-ordered it last year. So, I've never played the game before, and I, like, literally only pre-ordered it so you guys can have content for it, and because I was, like, interested. So, that is gonna be somewhere on my channel. Probably not day of release, but just wait for that.